Current state law says only U.S. citizens can serve as police officers. A North Texas lawmaker has filed a bill that would allow legally permanent residents who have a green card to be eligible for law enforcement jobs. Twice before, similar legislation failed, though at one time in Texas, green card holders could serve as police officers. The chiefs of the biggest cities in North Texas say allowing this group the opportunity to become police could help with the shortage of jailers and officers. Fox 4's Sean Rabb reports.
Police everywhere fighting two battles: crime in communities and a shortage of qualified candidates.
What this legislation does, it will seek to expand the pool of applicants who can apply to be a police officer to legal permanent residents.
11 other states do allow legal permanent residents, people who hold a green card, to become officers. This is the third time similar bills have been filed in recent years.
Legal permanent residents can serve in the United States military and protect and serve and die for our country. They also should have the right to protect and serve our neighborhood.
Dallas police are turning away a minimum of 50 to 100 people each month at job fairs who are legal permanent residents. While they cannot be police officers, they can become firefighters.
I had to scratch my head on that, on how you can serve and sacrifice as a member of DFR, but you can't as DPD.
There was a time, though, when you could.
In 2006, after 4 years of being a police officer for the city of Fort Worth, I became a U.S. citizen.
Officer Daniel Seguro joined Fort Worth Police as a legal permanent resident in 2002. After becoming a citizen, the legislature changed the law.
I did not serve at that time, but I think the rhetoric has changed throughout the years, especially after 9/11, from what I've heard.
Police say it needs to change again.
We have a staffing level authorized of 1,816 officers, and we're down to 137. One person, turning away one person is too many.
One, like TCU student Noe Barrera, born in Mexico, here legally though, not a U.S. citizen and banned from being police.
Literally, when I found that out, my life came to a stop because my whole life I knew I wanted to be an officer.
While there is bipartisan support in the House, there's conversations in the Senate, but the support is not yet there. These folks hoping that the legislature will pass this bill, and like 11 other states, including Oklahoma and Louisiana, folks who have legal permanent resident status can also serve as police. Sean Rabb, Fox 4 News.